future researchers and UGC NET qualifiers, welcome back to my channel. If you are someone planning to start a PhD or you are already knee-deep in dissertations, seminar papers or thesis writing, this video is crafted just for you. Today, we are exploring some of the most essential tools that every research scholar must know. I truly wanted to make this video because no one ever told me about these tools when I began my research journey. I had to figure out most of them on my own, and I know how overwhelming that can be. That is why I wanted to create this guide for you, so you do not have to waste time learning the hard way. So let us dive right in. If you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that as soon as I upload a new video, you are the first one to know about it. We come up with new videos every week, touching upon most important topics that are repeatedly asked in UGC NET English exam, as well as all things related to your journey during and after UGC NET. So, today, we will talk about reference managers like Zotero and Mendeley, plagiarism checkers like Turnitin, and a few bonus tools that will make organizing your notes and citing sources effortless. Make sure you stay till the end to learn how you can actually use these tools smartly to save time, improve your writing, and impress your supervisor. Friends, if you are looking for more PYQs on this topic, you can refer to the Unit 10 questions in my UGC NET Paper 1 book that provides you with 6500 plus solved unit-wise questions with detailed solutions and hints. But hey, what if you are looking for online mock tests that can help you practice questions in online exam format? If that's what you are looking for, you can join our newly updated online mock test series with a wide range of full-length tests available on the Arpita Karwa learning app. These tests perfectly replicate the UGC NET exam interface, providing you with a real-life exam experience. Plus, after each test, you'll receive a detailed performance report and see where you stand in the All India leaderboard. Firstly, let us talk about Zotero. I'm sure we have all been through the chaos of bookmarking 50 tabs, only to forget which source had the perfect quote. Zotero makes sure that nightmare never happens again, especially when it is time to write your paper. If you have ever been buried under dozens of research papers, articles and PDFs trying to remember which quote came from where, Zotero is here to rescue you. It is a free, open source reference manager that allows you to collect, organize and cite your research sources with just one click. Whether you are browsing Google Scholar, JSTOR or any academic database, Zotero can save the citation directly. Make sure to install the Zotero connector as well to help you do this seamlessly. What makes it even better is its ability to automatically generate citations in popular formats like MLA, APA or Chicago. You can tag and organize your saved items into folders, sync your library across devices, and create a central hub for all your research. Say, for instance, you are writing a paper on feminist theory. Zotero allows you to simply create a folder and save every relevant article, quote, or research paper there, so that when you need to refer to them, it's all in one convenient place. Friends, if you are looking for a one-stop destination for all your UGC NET Paper 1 preparation, look no further than my Amazon bestseller, a book in which we have explained complex topics of UGC NET Paper 1 using real-life examples, images, and diagrams. In fact, our courseware on UGC NET Paper 1 book is India's only UGC NET book that comes with 100 plus video lectures and 4000 plus unit-wise solved PYQs. Secondly, we come to Mendeley. Mendeley lets you collaborate with other researchers, join groups, and discover trending papers in your field. It combines reference management with powerful PDF annotation features. You can highlight, comment, and save notes on your research papers as you read them. It also syncs with MS Word, making citation insertion as simple as clicking a button. Another great feature is its research discovery tool, which suggests new papers based on your interests. Mendeley can even track citations and updates from your field, keeping you ahead of the curve. Friends, did you know that to ace the UGC NET exam, you need to be familiar with around 1,200 important writers and terms? The complete list of topics that are repeatedly asked in UGC NET English exam is available absolutely free on our website. You can download the list and start preparing for UGC NET at your own pace today. So, don't miss out. Click on the website link given in description box to download the detailed topic list and confidently prepare for the upcoming UGC NET exam. And if you're looking for video lectures that can explain difficult topics in a very simple and easy manner, then consider enrolling in our online course for UGC NET English. We are proud to be India's first animated video course, where we explain over 500 important plays, novels, and poems in an engaging way. For more details, check out the description box or download the Arpita Karwa learning app. Next, let us move to the tool that most students fear but absolutely need: Turnitin. Turnitin is the leading plagiarism detection software used by universities worldwide to ensure originality in academic writing. Most universities and even UGC require a plagiarism report before approving any thesis or dissertation. They are even used for term papers now. Let us say you quote thinkers like Derrida or Edward Said and accidentally forget to cite them. Turnitin will highlight that line and flag it. In the age of generative AI, this tool has become even more important. Using Turnitin early in your writing process will save you from last-minute stress and ensure your work is free from unintentional plagiarism. It shows a similarity index, highlights duplicate content, and helps you correct your references. This tool is non-negotiable for all postgraduate and research students. Oh, and by the way, who doesn't love free stuff? If you want even more past year questions on this topic without spending a penny, head over to our website. Under the Past Year Paper tab, you will find all the PYQs from 2012 onwards. Ours is the only website that offers 150 plus official UGC NET Paper 1 question papers with authentic answer keys for absolutely free. So, what are you waiting for? Check the description box and grab those free resources today. Moving on, let us talk about Grammarly, a tool that every research scholar secretly loves. Good grammar always leaves a good impression, and Grammarly makes sure your writing is polished and professional. Grammarly corrects grammar errors, checks clarity and conciseness, and even offers tone suggestions for formal writing. It comes in both free and premium versions, but even the free version can help you avoid common mistakes. Grammarly can be a lifesaver when you are preparing assignments, research proposals, or even your statement of purpose for PhD applications. Next, we have Google Scholar, which is not just a search engine but a complete research goldmine. Google Scholar allows you to search for peer-reviewed papers, books, and academic publications. It can automatically generate citations for you, and you can even create a personal profile to track your published work or citations. A smart way to use Google Scholar is to set alerts for specific topics so you're notified whenever new research is published in your area of interest. You can track citation counts, download authentic papers, and explore literature reviews. A quick tip is to always sort your search results by year so that you do not end up quoting outdated research. Next, let's talk about something that often becomes a challenge for researchers: managing notes, PDFs, quotes, and ideas. This is where digital tools like Notion and Obsidian step in. Notion allows you to create notebooks for each research topic. You can add to-do lists, set writing goals, and embed PDFs or web clippings directly into your workspace. Think of it as your all-in-one research dashboard. Obsidian, on the other hand, is perfect for those who like to connect ideas using the Zettelkasten method. It lets you create network notes so you can visualize links between different concepts and research findings. If Notion is like having Jarvis from Iron Man, Obsidian is like having a digital mind map that keeps track of everything you think and write. So friends, these tools can save you hours of unnecessary stress, make your research more organized, and ensure that you are always one step ahead when it comes to writing your thesis or dissertation. I encourage you to go ahead and research each of these tools on your own. There are plenty of tutorials and resources available online that will show you how to make the most out of them. Hopefully, this video has been helpful and will make your research journey smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. Remember, it is not about working harder, but about working smarter. And tools like Zotero, Mendeley, Turnitin, and Google Scholar can truly help you achieve that. That's it from my side for this video lecture. We'll meet very soon in the next video. Till the next time, happy learning, keep loving literature, and stay tuned to my channel.